O sound words. So our first sound is ought. Say children loudly, O-T, ought. So let's see the pictures. What is this? This is called pot. So say everyone, P-O-T, pot. Say loudly, P-O-T, pot. Look at the next picture. What is this? This is called cot. So say the spelling, C-O-T, cot. Sound it aloud, cot. Look at the next picture. What do you see here? You can see a cup of tea, and the tea is hot or cold. Tea is hot, right? So say the spelling of hot, H-O-T, hot. So children, our next sound is op. Say loudly, O-P, op. So look at the picture. Who is this? He is a policeman. So we called him cop. C-O-P, cop. Okay? Now look at the next picture. What is this, children? Do you play with this? Yes. So this is called top. T-O-P, top. Look at here, children. What is this? We use this to wipe or clean our house. This is called mop. So say the spelling, M-O-P, mop. So children, our next sound is ox. Say loudly, O-X, ox. So look at the picture. What is this? This is a box. Sound it loudly, B-O-X, box, box. Now look at the picture. What is this? Which animal? This is fox. So what is the spelling of fox? F-O-X, fox. Look at the next picture. What is this, children? This is ox. O-X, ox. Sound it aloud. O-X, ox. Very good. So children, today we have learned O-T, ought, O-P, op, and O-X, ox.